Hi, my name's Adam Baldoni. I'd just like to share my experience with WBT trading. I started trading about 3 years ago, and like most beginner traders, I struggled in the beginning. I was not understanding risk properly. I was over trading. I blew a few accounts. They weren't very big, thankfully, and I was strategy hopping from one strategy to the next strategy and not really getting a good grasp on how to be a consistently profitable trader. I came across WBT trading on Facebook ad and decided to watch the webinar. The webinar resonated with me. I thought that it was quite good, the way that it's a mechanical, rule-based strategy, that they were talking about letting an edge play out over time and probabilities. And that resonated with me, and I started to understand exactly how this could work. So I went ahead and I bought the course, and I went through the course and I started practicing what they were teaching. And slowly over time, I've now become consistently profitable. My mindset is still not 100%, but it's on the path of getting much better than it was before. And I'm understanding how to let the edge play out and the probability play out with a mechanical rule-based strategy. Also, the thing I like about it is that you don't have to sit in front of the charts all day, because most of the trades are at a certain time of the day. So yeah, if this is something that you're interested in, I recommend to check out WBT Trading. They've got great customer service, and I think you'll find the webinar really helpful. Thanks for listening.